A Gold IRA, or individual retirement account, allows you to invest in precious metals as part of your retirement saving strategy. It is favored for its ability to hedge against inflation and stabilize your portfolio, providing a secure financial future even amidst economic fluctuations. Investing in a Gold IRA offers crucial long-term benefits, notably its resilience against inflation. By anchoring your retirement funds in a historically stable commodity, you also guard against the risks of currency devaluation and economic downturns, ensuring a safer, more predictable financial future. Starting a Gold IRA involves selecting a reliable custodian tailored to your investment needs, choosing appropriate precious metals like gold or silver, and understanding the fees involved. This preparation ensures your investments are well protected and comply with financial regulations. New investors often encounter pitfalls such as selecting unsuitable custodians, failing to diversify across different metals, and overlooking potential tax consequences. Understanding these mistakes is crucial in ensuring secure, efficient management of your Gold IRA.